Welcome to a video on ProTrac on how to find planar data. So first things first, what I usually do is I like to go to the run shift report to find out how many pieces we're looking for and what time. So it was a night shift from the 27th of 6 p.m. to the morning of the 28th of 6 a.m. and it's a night shift. So I'll just highlight the report I want. I'll click on report, and this will generate a report for me. You can see here the last night had a lot of wet lumber, about 3,000 pieces, so we kind of know how many pieces we're looking for. So I'll close this out, and then next I'll go into my packages, and I'll look for that time frame, that 6 p.m. of the 27th to 6 a.m. of the 28th. So I'll sort it there by the transverse time, and I'll go, usually it's in the next page, and so here you can see that it's 6 p.m. of the 27th to 12 a.m. of the 28th, and I would note the charge number here, just write it down for reference. Once you have the charges that you're looking for, also go to the next page, and that will also have a few of the charges. So it's 21017 mostly on this one. Once I have an idea of what charges were ran the night before, I'll close out the screen and I'll open up my charges. So the charges I've written down was like 21017 and 11025. So I'll maximize the screen, and here you've got the charges that we're looking for that were ran the night before. And so if you scroll over, you'll see that there's a marker set 0.3, which is our wet, and that's how many pieces that were ran that are wet. Scroll back over to the left and you can see the charge, the time, and so that you know you're looking for the right one. Once you know how many pieces you have, you can, obviously that's not 3,000 pieces there, so we're definitely missing some pieces from the report. So let's go try to find those. So I'll close this screen out, and a lot of times that missing data is in the orphan file record. So what I'll do is I'll sync my data to see what errors I'm getting. I'll try to find the time frame I'm looking for. Again, it's a 6 p.m. of the 27th to 6 a.m. of the 28th. So you can see here that we're starting to come up on some of those records. A lot of times if you look in bundle tag, that's what was typed in at the tilt hoist there. And sometimes they're typed in wrong, and sometimes there's no record for them. So if you highlight that, it'll say that there's no record, so a record hasn't been created, so it doesn't know where to put the data, so you need to create a bundle charge for that one. And then this one here just says that it was created twice, so it doesn't know where to put it because there's two places to put it. So rectify those errors and then resync, and that data will go into its proper area. And that's basically how you find all of the data that you need. If you have any other questions, you know where to find me. Just give me a call or email me. Thanks.